Hi, this is Matt Smith. I'm with Wallach and Volt Bank. I'm in the delightful western town of Wickenburg, Arizona. Now, if you'd like to buy a house here or anywhere in the state, I'd like to talk to you about your credit. One thing you should always do and one thing you should never do. Now, when you are being pre-qualified by a loan officer, you should always tell him right up front if you've ever had a bankruptcy or a foreclosure, because these don't always show up on the initial credit report, but will be found out later in the loan process and could prevent you from qualifying for a home. The second thing you should never do is never dispute a credit item on your credit report until after your loan is closed, because all disputes have to be taken off the credit report before the loan can close, and that can delay you from closing the loan as well. So if you have any questions on this or need to be pre-qualified, call me anytime at 602-369-5158. Thanks.